Hello guys, welcome to the sixth video. In this, we will be solving the question based on a matrix. Matrix are basically 2D arrays, meaning that the elements of the array are also arrays. We will look at it in detail. Let's move on to the question. The question is maximum ones. So, you are given a matrix with dimensions n cross m containing only zeros and ones, where each row is sorted. Your task is to find the index of the row with maximum number of ones in it. Rows and columns are zero indexed based. So basically we have to find the row which has the maximum number of ones. So let's look at an example. We have the array as given over here. So it contains arrays as its elements. Now this is a 4 cross 4 matrix. So what we will do to solve the problem is we will loop over the array and try to find the sum of the subarray. That is the row. We will try to find the sum of the row. Now the sum of the row will be maximum if it contains maximum number of ones. Let me reframe that. If the row contains maximum number of ones, it has more ones than any other row, then also it will have the maximum sum. If suppose we have a condition where two rows contain the same number of ones, then we have to return the index of the smaller row, one that occurred before. So now what will happen in the example here is the sum of this row is 3. This row it is 1. For this row it is 4. So this is the row with the maximum number of ones. This row has a sum of 2 and this row also has a sum of 4. Now this row also has the maximum number of ones, but the index of the third row here will be 2, as the rows and columns are zero indexed based. Hence we will return 2 from the function. So let's move on to the code. So we initialize a variable max and a variable I. The I variable here stores the index of the row and the max variable stores the sum of the maximum number of ones. So we will loop over one after the other. We will find the sum of the row, and if the sum of the row is greater than the sum of the rows that occurred previously, then we will change the value of max and the index as well. Now we will do this process over and over again, and at the end we will return the value of I. So let's run the code. So thank you guys for watching.